Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we would be learning the Christmas tree butterfly with puts option strategy, and we would be looking at one possible adjustment that can be made to a troubled position. What is the Christmas tree butterfly option strategy? While the traditional butterfly spread is a neutral strategy, the Christmas tree butterfly spread has a directional bias. It is usually placed slightly above or below near the money. It comprises three legs and involves six options and is usually established at a net debit. The Christmas trade butterfly spread with calls has a slight bullish bias and is placed above the underlying asset's price. Conversely, the Christmas tree butterfly spread with puts has a slight bearish bias and is placed below the underlying asset's price. In this video, we would limit ourselves to the put variety. A Christmas tree butterfly with put strategy is the purchase of one put at strike price x1, skip strike price x2, the sale of three puts at strike price x3, and the purchase of two puts at strike price x4. It can be seen as simultaneously purchasing one wide bear put spread with strike prices x1 and x3 and selling two narrow bull put spreads with strike prices x3 and x4. It can also be seen as one long put butterfly spread at x1, x2, x3 overlapped by two long put butterfly spreads at x2, x3, x4. All the strike prices are equidistant and the distance between the strike prices x1 and x3 is twice the distance between the strike prices x3 and x4. And all puts have the same expiration date. Time decay is helpful to the position, while volatility is generally unhelpful. The maximum profit is attained if the underlying is at the strike price x3, that is, at the strike price of the short puts at expiration. It is the difference between the strike prices x1 and x3 minus the net debit. The maximum loss is the net debit of the bought and sold options. There are two break-even points at expiration for this strategy. Lower break-even point is between strike prices x1 and x2 and is equal to strike price x1 minus the net debit. Upper break-even point is between strike prices x3 and x4 and is equal to strike price x4 plus one half the net debit. The margin required for this trade is about rupees 45 to 50k and the capital required is about rupees 65 to 70k. Capital is defined as the amount of free cash required in your account to enter this trade, while margin is defined as the amount of free cash required in your account to maintain this trade once you enter it. Enter the buy option trades first. Now let's look at a sample trade. Nifty is at 10,091.65 on June 18, 2020. A Christmas tree butterfly with put spread can then be entered as follows. Buy one lot of 25th June 10,000 strike price put at 139.69. Sell three lots of 25th June 9800 strike price put at 83.25. Buy two lots of 25th June 9700 strike price put at 65.09. Now let us look at some calculations. Maximum loss at expiry is equal to net debit, which comes to about rupees 1509. Maximum profit at expiry is equal to difference between the strike prices x1 and x3 minus net debit, which comes to about rupees 13,491. The upper break-even point is equal to strike price x1 minus net debit, which comes to about 99.80. Lower break-even point is equal to strike price x4 plus one half the net debit, which comes to about 97.10. Now let's look at the risk graph of the Christmas tree butterfly with put strategy. From the risk graph, it is clear that though the risk reward ratio is pretty high, the high reward comes with a narrow range. The maximum profit of rupees 13,491 is attained at the strike price of the sold puts, that is, at 9800 at expiration. The break-even points are at 9880 and 9710, and the maximum loss of rupees 1509 is achieved when the underlying closes below the lower break-even point or above the upper break-even point at expiration. Let's look at how we can manage a troubled Christmas tree butterfly with put setup. Say 4 days into the trade, Nifty dropped to 9800. If you anticipate the index to drop further, construct a reverse Christmas tree butterfly with puts at strike price X3. That is, buy to open 2 lots of the 25th June 9800 put option, sell to open 3 lots of the 25th June 9700 put option, and buy to open 1 lot of the 25th June 9500 put option. The position would then look like this. Buy 1 lot of 25th June 10,000 strike price put, sell 1 lot of 25th June 9800 strike price put, sell 1 lot of 25th June 9700 strike price put, buy 1 lot of 25th June 9500 strike price put. The aforementioned adjustment would leave us with a long put condor kind of setup. The adjustment would widen the profit range and enhance the probability of profit, but it would increase the risk. The margin and capital required would also come down, which is a positive. Let's look at some pros and cons of the Christmas tree butterfly strategy. The initial cost to establish the strategy is low, and hence the maximum loss at expiry is also low. It offers a good alternative to a long put, but requires more margin money, and also you may have to pay more commissions as the number of options involved are more. Though the maximum profit potential for the strategy is high, the probability of profit is low. Usually, the probability of profit is less than 20% and is attained only near expiration. It has a narrow profit range. Some considerations. Although in the sample trade, the difference between the strike prices X1 and X3 is 200, the trade can also be established with a difference in strike prices of 400, 600, 800, and so on between X1 and X3. And since the distance between the strike prices X1 and X3 has to be twice the distance between the strike prices X3 and X4, X4 should be at a distance of 200, 300, 400, and so on from X3 respectively. Enter the trade when you have a bearish bias and you believe that the price of the underlying would dip and hover around the strike price X3 by expiration. Some might argue here that it is better to go with a long put when you have a bearish bias. But what if you are wrong in your forecast? You would lose the entire amount invested on the long put, whereas here the amount at risk is less. Strike price X3 should coincide with a strong support zone. The best time to initiate the strategy is on a Wednesday for Thursday expiration options, as it is observed that the net debit to enter the trade would be far less and the maximum risk could be restricted to just about Rs 1000 if we enter on a Wednesday for Thursday expiration options. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.